Wow. Unsay title sa kantahon na pud ni Jomari Imbaan?
Started a joke.
Started a joke by
Bigis.
Bigis kay nagkanta na. So karon kauban gyapon nato atong mga beloved judges. Daghang salamat sa pagbantay sa pag-record sa ato ang performer karong adlaw. Ato nang paminawon si Jomari Imbaan.
Started a joke.
Wow.
We started a whole baby.
Yeah, boy.
But I only sing.
Wow, grabe.
But the joke was on me. Look at the sky, running my hand over my eyes, and I tell out them arting out from the things that I see. Then I finally died. We started a whole loving. If I only see, but the joke was on me. I look at the sky, running my hand over my eyes, and I tell out of bed, hurting my from the things that I see. We started a whole lady.
Grabe.
Oh, if I only see, but the joke was on me. Oh no, but the joke was on me.
Wow, grabe. Unsay masulti na po ninyo? Grabe. Before atong ipahibalo no nga ang iyang gitara kulang og kwerdas. Mara nakabuok pero kuha lang gyapon. So daghang salamat sa imong pasundayag karong hapuna, Jomari Imbaan. Wala na lain, wala na tay ginadugay, ato na ning palungon.